If you are looking for a shoes which can be used in gym workout, outdoor running, trekking and other sports activities, then you must try these Asian Cosko shoes for boys and men. Exclusive design and durable material, every step feels light and breezy. Breathable, free-moving fabrics which adjust according to your foot and creates an easy-going experience. Great engineering strikes a balance in style, made in the potent design and latest fashion trends. Made from long-term wear with extra emphasis on providing cushion to the feet, removing heel strain. The outsoles are made by an air cushion, doubling the effect of shock absorption. Besides, these shoes perform excellent in durability and are also slip resistant. It provides push cushioning comfort for foot pain relief and helps relieve pressure while conforming to your every step. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this pair today. You can buy this from Amazon or from my Amazon storefront.